Hey guys, welcome to another video from EV We appreciate you tuning in. Today we have a video that goes over the most recent software update. First we're going to look at the update to Autopilot. You gotta love over-the-air updates. This one is actually going to give us the ability to be more smoother, who doesn't want that in stop and go traffic? Not to mention eliminate the wear and tear on our actual brakes. Very much welcomed. The next over-the-air update is going to be the Dashcam manual save, and this one is pretty cool. We'll go through the steps here, but the idea behind it is you can click to manually save a clip or video while on the go. And as you see I'm doing here, just holding down, then dragging the icon into the little bottom tray there. Really straightforward. It's going to be pretty awesome when you're just going down the road or you see something cool, press that button and then all of a sudden you get to capture it. And here's kind of a little bit of an example of some of the sentry mode. Alright, now we're moving on to the car colorizer. That's right. Yeah, everyone's really excited about this one, I can tell. So essentially the idea behind a car colorizer is exactly what it sounds like. You're going to be able to go into the toy box. You're going to be able to edit the multi-color scale, and then you get to choose between metallic, solid, matte. So of course, that's pretty much all you got to do. Just press it right there, and then when you get to play around with the colors, it's a lot of fun. And then over your devices, you'll see a color of a Tesla that doesn't happen to be your colored Tesla, but it is fun to play around and pretend you have like an electric yellow, matte finish or high chrome colored Tesla, right? But it is something that came with an update, something you don't know that you needed, but now you have it, and now you can do something with it. Personally, I still like the color of the car inside the original image, but at the same time it's also quite fun to play around with what color choices are out there. Well, thank you so much for tuning in. Another video from EV we hope you're having a good one and have a wonderful day. See you in the next one.